Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to align a golf cart front end. Start by raising the cart safely and chalking rear wheels to prevent movement. Inspect tie rods, steering links, and tires for wear or damage before adjusting. Use a tape measure and straight edge to check toe, then adjust tie rods evenly until measurements match specifications. Recheck all fasteners and test drive at low speed to confirm alignment is correct. Gather the right tools before you begin to save time and avoid mistakes. A tape measure, straight edge, and level handle most basic alignment checks, while a torque wrench ensures nuts are tightened to spec. Adjustable wrenches and penetrating oil help free stubborn joints. If you want extra accuracy, bring a camber gauge or digital angle finder. Keep a marker and a helper available to record measurements and hold steering straight during adjustment. Begin with the steering centered and mark the wheel positions to measure toe accurately. Measure the distance across the front and back of the front tires and calculate the toe difference. Loosen tie rod lock nuts and turn each tie rod the same number of turns to correct toe, keeping steering centered. Once aligned, torque the lock nuts to spec, lower the cart, and take a short test drive to verify steering is straight and stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.